Hi, welcome back you guys. It's Caesar from Puente Hyundai, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2020 Ioniq Limited navigation system. That's only going to be available for the Limited, so just be careful when you're watching this video. It may not pertain to one of your Ioniqs, but this will be the newer navigation system that Hyundai is going to be using in a lot of their models. All right, you guys, now we're going to be going into the navigation system here on the Ioniq. Now you have two ways of opening that up. Of course, you see the little box here with the navigation. You can ultimately just tap that, or right directly underneath you have map and navi. So map will just bring this up to maximize the setting. Navi is where you're going to enter in the addresses. So let's just start with the map first. Nice big clear picture. And you're going to be able to zoom in and out, navi volume, and the compass of where you're facing. Now, if you're going to enter in an address, all you got to do is hit nav here, bring it into a different type of interface. Now you're going to hit places and just follow the directions here. So point of interest, you could ultimately type in like they have here, Starbucks. You can put in the physical address, or if you know the coordinates, you can also tap that into there as well. Now, if we go back, you'll have POI categories, and that'll pretty much summarize here, gas stations, coffee shops, restaurants. And that will find the locations based off wherever the car is, wherever you are. Then once you're actually en route, you'll have some of these other ones highlighted. They're not highlighted now because we're not en route to anywhere, but you do have different options that you can do. You have your address book for any addresses you save, and then you can do a quick search as well for all the Hyundai dealers locally to you. All right, so now we're going to search for a point of interest. Now, the cool thing about the navigation is it'll pretty much summarize what we're trying to type. For instance, you do ST, it'll pull up Starbucks. We'll go ahead and click that. Now, once it loads, it'll show all the Starbucks near us. So pretty much all you have to do is just click which one you want. And then we're going to set as destination. Now it's going to show us pretty much our preview. You can add a waypoint, route avoid options, or we can just start the guidance.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
Perfect. Now if we were to hit the nav button and go back, all those other points are highlighted now. So now we can go ahead and go through the different options if you guys want to.